Zip ties. Zip ties. Otherwise known as tie wraps. Yeah, tie wraps. Zip ties, tie wraps, whatever you want to call them. I got a little problem. I got a little problem. Oh yeah. I got a little problem because I got zip ties all over my boat. That's right. All over my boat. I've been accosted. I've been attacked. Oh yeah. I've been sabotaged by some frickin' character with a sense of humor. Oh yeah, let me show you what I'm talking about over here. Zip tie. Zip tie. Zip tie. Zip tie. Zip tie, zip tie. Zip ties. Look at the bow. Look at the aerial. The aerial has a zip tie on it. The frickin' windshield wiper. Hey, the railing. The railing is surrounded. All kinds of black ones out there. Oh yeah. He even has multicolors. Multicolors. Oh yeah. Hey, look. Hey, there's a black one on the hatch. What about there's the rope. What about the rope? He's got my flag. He got my flag. Hey. Piracy. Piracy on the high seas. Hey. Sorry. I had my boat parked minding its own business, and along comes Buster Brown with the zip ties. The zip ties. Oh my. Black ones. Good. Hey. Oh yeah. Look. Another. No. Oh my. Oh my. Oh. Oh. Oh, look. Oh, jeez. He didn't miss nothing, eh? Little bastard. We'll see who laughs the last. Oh, yeah. Zip ties, huh? I'll get him. Hey, I'll get him. That's right. I'm gonna hunt you down. I'll zip tie you. Even on the damn radio! Oh my! Oh Jesus! I've had it! I know who it is. Oh yeah. I know who done this. I know who done this. Chisel. That's who. Chisel. He got a sense of humor, eh, buddy? Ah, well, we'll see you zip ties who, pal. Oh yeah, buddy, old pal. Oh yeah! Revenge! Revenge! Zip ties! Oh my! Thank you. Thank you very much.